The Bat and the Beast. Once upon a time in a dark jungle, there broke a dangerous fight between the beasts and birds. We will not tolerate the beasts anymore. They feed on us, make praise our of children. And behave as if they are the rulers of the jungle. Yes, yes, we agree with you, our leader. But we need more support from our birds. Currently we are losing. We must reach out to every bird in the jungle to join our army. We shall found strength in numbers. What do you say, Minister? Everybody has agreed. We just need to ask the bats now. I am sure bats will help us to win. Very well then, invite their leader to our court. The bat leader was invited to the court of the leader of the birds. Bat, we are in a war against the beasts. Why don't you join us? The bat leader was not sure that it wanted to join an army that was losing. I am honored by your offer, but I am afraid, said the bat. I cannot join you, I am after all as beast. A few days passed. The beasts started losing. We need to grow our army, otherwise the birds will defeat us. They drink from our lakes, lives in our tree. Yet, they behave as though they have more rights on the jungle than us. Minister, who can help us with? My leader, the only ones who have not joined the fight as yet are the bats, said the horse. Very well, invite the bats' leader to our court. So the bat leader was invited to the beast's court. Bat, the war between the birds and the beasts of the forest is at its peak now. Whoever wins this last battle shall win the war and rule over the jungle. Why don't you join us and help us win? You two will rule the jungle along with us, said the lion. But the bat was once again unsure. That it wanted to join the losing side with the beasts. I am honored by your offer, but I cannot join you, as I am a bird. Just before the final battle was to take place, both the bird and beast leaders met. They were both upset by the losses their armies were suffering and decided to make peace. The war was called off. We will not fight anymore, said the lion, and the parrot replied, yes, we will leave in peace now. The whole jungle will celebrated the new peace in the land. When the bat leaders heard of this development, he went to the birds and asked to be a part of this celebration. But the birds' leader remembered how the bat leader had refused to help the birds during the war and turned him this kind of a way. No bird would even talk to them now. The beast's leader knew that if he took his people to the beasts, it would simply tear them apart. And so he did not approach them. Hence he and his entire kind lived in isolation without any friends in the jungle.